This video is sponsored by www.patreon.com/theapplianceengineer. If you find this or any of my videos helpful, please feel free to donate. This will help me to produce more content as well as giving you the opportunity to give ideas for other videos which you may like to see in the future. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you can be informed of any new content which I upload. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the video.